We thank you for buying the VAISHNU Headlight Wiring Kit. In this particular video, we will take you through the installation process for the H1 plus H7 Headlight Wiring Kit. To start with, we will take you through the unboxing of the product. Once you open the box, you will find the VAISHNU H1 plus H7 wiring kit along with 5 cable ties. The wiring kit includes 65 amperes relay, which has the capacity to withstand 800 watts current load. 2 H1 and 2 H7 bulb holders, which are in backlight body that can absorb colossal heat without melting or fusing. 2 high quality fuse holders with 30 amperes fuses. The complete wiring kit is in 100% Phenolics cables. The installation will be carried out on a Renault Triber 2019 model, which has H1 bulb for the high beam and H7 bulb for the low beam. First, we will have to find a suitable place to mount the relay and securely fix it. You can see the 2 male couplers in the wiring kit. One is for the H7 connector, the other is for the H1 connector. To install the H1 male coupler, remove the H1 connector from the headlights and insert the male coupler in it. To install the H7 male coupler, remove the H7 connector from the headlights and insert the male coupler in it. One thing to keep in mind is that the positive wire of the male coupler should be connected to the positive wire of the bulb connectors and vice versa for the negative wire. If they are connected incorrectly, the bulbs will not work, might even fuse. Moving on, let's install the bulb connectors of the wiring kit into the headlight bulbs. Fit the H1 holder in the H1 bulb socket and fit the H7 bulb holder in the H7 bulb socket. Ground the black wire from the H7 holder to a suitable place in the car. There is no ground wire in case of H1 holders, so we can move on to the next step. Moving on to the other side of the car, there are no male couplers to be connected on this side. Similar process is to be repeated to install the H1 bulb holder and H7 bulb holder from the wiring kit. The H1 and H7 connectors removed from the headlight on this side will stay loose as it is. It is to be left open. Go ahead and ground the black wire from the H7 holder. Moving on, you will find a red color cable which is to be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. With that done, your installation is complete. As a safety measure, Tie the extra loose wiring using the cable ties provided with the wiring kit. The wires can burn if it comes in contact with the engine while running. So, it's always safe to recheck the wiring after installation. And it's time to check the headlights. Lights off. Low beam on. High beam on. Thanks for buying the VAISHNU Wiring Kit. Wishing you a pleasant experience. You can know more about us at www.vaishnu.com. Thanks for watching the video. Happy driving!